What's going on, guys? So I'm going to show you really quickly, if you don't already know, how to wash and take care of your hair system. This is my who is it? LaVivid Mirage hair system. I'm going to hop in the shower and show you how I take care of it. Alright guys, so this one I'm going to be using some basic Tresemme shampoo. I've got some of this Garnier Ultimate Blends conditioner, so any shampoo, any conditioner will do perfectly fine. With a hairbrush. And I've got a little comb here. I'm going to get my hair wet and I'm going to show you basically how I take care of my hair system. Alright, so as you can see, just wet my hair. Just going to go ahead and rub this in. And thinking after I'm done with this, it's been about 10 days since I've done the hairline. Just kind of put it on and left it, so I might touch up the hairline either today or tomorrow, but I'm just kind of as you can see, frizzing it through. I want to get all the hair, especially in the back. The back's a little bit thicker. So that's that done. Just give it a little bit of a brush. Just want to make sure all the fibers get covered in shampoo. Probably a little more time spent on the back. And that's that. One more time through. So I've had the bond on now for, what were we today? Tuesday. So about 8 days I've had this new hair system bonded on for. That's that. I'm going to rinse this off and then I'll be back to do some conditioning. Alright guys, so I've gotten most of the shampoo out. I'm going to just put a little bit of conditioner in here. Oops, maybe a bit too much there. But same kind of thing. Just kind of like lightly get it into the hair strands. That's that done. I'm going to give it a quick brush one more time just to kind of get it in the tougher areas. It's going to kind of just go through any of the hair with this comb just to get any knots out, and just to kind of get the conditioner through all the strands of the hair. Just like that. And I'll normally do this twice a week. Let's say on a Monday and let's say on a Thursday night. You know, take me like 5 minutes each time I do it. And once I've done with this conditioner, what I will do is I'll just let it sit in there while I wash my body. Give it a couple minutes to see. There we go. Any excess will just come out with the comb here. Alright guys, so I just kind of rinsed it off. Use the brush, just brushing it while I put a bit of water on it. And just dampen my head like that. That's that. I washed the rest of myself while I did this. I'll do this twice a week like I said. The other days when I'm going to take a shower, just get a shower cap, stick it on your head. I'll wash my hair and condition it when it kind of gets oily or a bit just mucky and doesn't feel nice anymore. Which is normally twice a week I'll do this. Next thing I'll do is kind of give it a brush while I blow dry it out after I get out the shower, and we'll go from there. But not that hard to do, you know. And this will work for any hair system. Don't be afraid to clean it and get it wet once in a while. Twice a week seems to be pretty good with my schedule at least. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. Let me dry up. Alright chaps, I'm all showered up now. Again, regular conditioner, regular shampoo, just brush, put your hands like this, you'll be all good, yeah? Just don't go overthinking stuff, man, because the last thing you want to do is think something's harder than what it actually is. Yeah, it's the exact same way as if you were to just wash your hair normally. Just be a little bit gentler, you know? Okay, I've got a hair dryer here. I'm going to blow dry my hair, and while I blow dry, give it a brush. that's it. That's all I'm doing. Then I'll just go ahead and that in it. Let's see how we're feeling now. Alright, that's it guys. And what I'll do is I'll just go to sleep and worry about styling it in the morning. So it's a little bit late now. That's it. Style it in the morning, maybe put a little bit of gel in it, condition it once in a while till my next time, but that's it. And what I'm going to do next is either get some satin pillows or get a satin kind of hairnet, so I can put because the problem is the friction from sleeping can kind of make the back knot up a little bit and just go all crazy. So I'm thinking either satin pillowcases or a satin hairnet. But that's it guys. For the most part I'm happy with that. Without having to film it, I'd say the whole process takes about 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most, twice a week. And no different than if you were to do your own hair. So that's it. That's ready to go to sleep in, and tomorrow I'll style it. But yeah, I hope that's helpful for some people. Again, I'll suggest regular shampoo, a good conditioner. Just go buy just good reviewed stuff on Amazon, a decent hairbrush, something like that in the shower, a comb just to get it all the conditioner in. And that's it guys. And this is 2 months I've been using, well this is 6 weeks I've been using this hair system now. And no, everything's smooth. And you can see here I'm going to redo the hairline probably today or tomorrow morning actually. Just redo that, and that's it guys. It's nothing major going on. You know, don't worry, don't overthink stuff, just get it, crack on. Again, this hair system's from LaVivid Hair. Just do a Google, type in LaVivid Hair, you'll get to their website. But this is the Mirage, and yeah, everything's very easy guys. So if you're thinking about it, go to their website, give them a check out, and if you have any questions, hit me up, and hopefully you found this video helpful.